Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel. Let's continue programming the village. Earlier, I did the profession bonuses for the work spots. It was quick and fun and worked great. Now I want to add or kind of redo one thing, which is monstrous attack. For now, it's an action, I think. The monster has an action that's performed on attacking, but I would again want to make it more flexible and easy to define, just specifying in the monster data as well as showing the effect of the monster's attack to the player, because that's important. I'm gonna do it the same way I'm doing everything else probably in this project, so just define an enum of different kind of attacks, make a data class for it, make a factory, make a list of attacks for the monster. Yeah, let's go. So first, let's, I guess, create a new like entity for this. Or do I mix it up inside the monster folder? I might use it there as well, just to keep it together a little. Let's do attacks first. It's gonna be an enum. The one we've got so far is eating a villager, of course. So I'm just gonna generically call it kill random villager. And that's gonna be like randomly picked from all the villagers. I can live with just one attack type for now. We can do one more, like steal random resource. Can you steal faith or knowledge? I guess not. So it's gonna be like steal either wood, food, or stone. Can be like destroy tangible resource. Okay, let's have those two examples for now. Okay, then we will need something like attack data. Let's give it an ID as usual. The texture, of course. Then this has a list of requirements. We don't need that. The action. We actually need the action, I guess. Okay, so instead of that, or is that all? I think it might be all. Might be all. what can we compare this to? Something like the reward, maybe. The reward has no owner, by the way. Should everything have an owner? So I think the other things got the owner reference. At least the upgrade, right? Yeah. Do we need the owner? I don't think so. Let's leave it without the owner for now. So the ID, just in case we need that. We need the texture. We need the action it's gonna do. Anything else? I think that's pretty much it. Okay, I think that's it. I think that's it. We'll see. Might be it. Okay, then let's do tech. Tech. That's equal to that, I think. Tech does not have requirements. It is a sprite. That's an ID. Does not have that. Does have the tag. So let's do tag data. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah. Leave it like that. And probably the factory, right? Check factory. Yeah. Check factory. This will have what? Dictionary of text and check data. Text data. All right. I just do so kill random villager and destroy resource. What? This, give me this. Okay. Do we need? I need texture and action. Texture for kill random villager I will have to do, but for now let's just use one of those we've got. So like villagers, villager. For the resources, let's do, I don't know, UI food. What's that? Yeah, that's the thing. Create tag, tags, tag, tags data, like that. Easy. So we've got a random villager. Just removing random villager can pretty much stay. Oh, getting the random resource gonna be tougher. Let's rename this to kill. Okay. Are we using those tiny monsters? No, yes, no. Can remove this. Can we? They're gonna need quite a few changes. So, first of all, monster data will have a list of attacks, right? So that's what it's gonna do. Instead of the action, I think. Instead of the action. The action is just like one thing. The attacks we can pick and choose whatever we want. So like that, this can go. Okay. Then here in the monster, instead of the action, we will again have a list of attack. Well, I can call it attacks, I guess. And we will need something like that there. Let me copy it somewhere. Requirement there. Like those two thingies. There. I don't know. Yeah, we've got created tag already. Okay. Okay. Hopefully. Then this is gonna return a list of attacks. Create attacks list. List of attacks as an input. So list don't think we need the counter actually. So list of that. add create attack and just that. Okay, this could be all. I think probably. Then where do we need this? Probably there. Attack factory, create list, and we need the data attacks. Perfect, easy. Any monster's gonna attack? What's he gonna do? Should he go through all the attacks? Does the attack have the action? Yes. Okay, then we will do for each attack in attacks attack up on attack invoke like this. Do I want to use the other syntax from Link? Maybe, I don't know. It's like one-liner. Might be prettier. Like that, okay. Maybe tiny bit easier to read. I don't know. Okay, I think that's that for the monster. Let's get it back there. Oh, we need the... We don't need that. So the monster data that. And wait, what? What's the order of things there? ID, texture, list of requirements, then list of attacks. Okay, so we need attacks, kill random villager. Like that. Goblins will loot something. And the troll will actually attack twice. Okay. Yeah, easy, easy, easy. I think we've got some practice in that. What's left to do? Drawing of the attack, probably. Create list. You've got that. Okay, okay. Oh, no, we don't have the implementation for the second example. What can we do? Huh. Thinking how to select a random resource from the enum. I don't know. might not want to deal with that right now. That's not that important. So let's say he's gonna destroy one of each. Yeah, one of each. Why not? So if player resource is would bigger than 0, let's do that and repeat for the others. Yeah, I don't wanna dwell on that now. Yeah. So I will grab just one of each if you've got it. Nasty stuff. Yeah. Since it's got the food icon, I want to just do one food. Let's do it like that for now. Destroy food. Let's call it that. Renamed now. Perfect. Okay, so we've got this. Drawing's gonna be slightly difficult or not. They might just draw it inside the constructor the same way I'm doing, I don't know where what. But is it inside the quests? Yeah, exactly like that. Exactly like that. And that's what the monster. We're not doing that at all. Gonna have to copy all of that. Okay. Probably. Let's do attacks. So it's calculating the destination rectangle. If we want to stick with the 32 pixels, which we might. Aligning it to the bottom. Drawing. Okay, I think that's it. One more thing, could have like another text description of the attack. I've created a task to make a floating tooltips, like when you hover over something, a text should pop up somewhere around the cursor. Should be easy to do, not now, but we'll do that soon, I guess. And then we can start adding like hints and tooltips to everything. Alright, so I think that's pretty much it. It's gonna show the icon and then it should activate. Well, I don't know. Is that all? We'll see. We'll see. Was it that easy again? I mean, I've got all the things pretty nicely set up. So yeah, adding things like that is easy if you don't forget to initialize your factories. So I take factory init in the game manager. Where's the initialize there? I don't know where. I don't care. Probably before the monsters. Let's go. Right. Yeah, there we go. Draw, eat 2 people. Of course, the icon's gonna be different. That's just for now. But we finally see what it's gonna do after 3 turns. These ones, we need the goblins to show in this stealing. Why it's gonna be. So we've got like 6 guys. 2 of those should go missing now. Yeah, poor little fellas. And goblins gonna eat our food. You got, well, first those are gonna get eaten as well. Now let's watch the food. Got 5. Yeah, taken. 2 more down. Yeah, it's working. Wow, that was easy. Super easy. Great. Getting good at this. It was like 25 minutes. Perfect. If every task would be that easy. Alright. So we've got this. Monsters show attack effect. Done that. Consider that done. Next bigger feature will be the events. That's like some special rules that get randomly selected for each round. They will affect the rules somehow. Whatever our imagination will allow. Yeah, the floating tooltips. And it's most of the main game features done already, I think. So we will slowly transition to the add content phase, and then it's gonna probably gonna start being somewhat playable. Well, the like game ends, so like features we can plan. At least we've got time. That was super quick. Let's do some planning. So I've had some kind of quests already. Yeah, persistent story quest. Let's put it down in the features actually. That's something that will drive the winning. Losing. It's very like broad overview. Topic, I have no idea. Well, let's put it on the list just to have something there. We know that we are still missing that. Thinking, do we have the... But I think we've already done all of the first brainstorming document. Let's put it there. So, how to win? Winning. The idea is there will be a chain of story quests that you have to fulfill to like find the location of the Dark Lord, prepare for the attack on him, start the attack, win. What happens if you lose, if you don't manage the attack? do you get to try again? Maybe, probably makes sense. Yeah, so like this persistent story quests, chain of quests. Okay, for the lack of the better word. Okay, the threads, the Dark Lord, it's gonna be like the last quest. The Dark Lord final quest. I can put it there. Hello, Jack. Oh, how's it going? How's it going? It's going fine over there, actually. Still the same. Nothing changed there. Well, like minor things. Still the same. Have not done any graphics. I did the icons for the monster attacks. Now we have the upgrades for the thingies. There. We can upgrade the thing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But we're nearing the stage where I'm gonna start caring about the graphics. So yeah, stay tuned. First, I would like to figure out the whole UI, where to put stuff. So first I wanna put everything I need on the screen so I know what I'm gonna be working with. Then I will arrange stuff around in some kind of easy for the eye fashion. Yeah, that's the plan. So graphics wise, no progress there, Jake. Sorry, still looks crappy, but yeah, that's what we are working on. We haven't done much of the dice rolling actually. There's one task for that, just the reroll mechanic, but I'm sure we need to do a lot more with that. That should be one of the more interesting things of the gameplay, like manipulating the dice and stuff, working with them. I really do not like programming graphics. Yeah. Yeah. Which brings me back to animations, or at least movement. Should I create a separate like segment for that? Probably. Like graphics. And I don't know, sound. Let's start easy with moving sprites around. At least there will be some movement, right? Like the cards can spread, fly around and stuff. The workers could maybe go to the work spots you select. That could be fun. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Yeah, the dice rolling thing. What do we? What can we do with that? We got the reroll that I know I need to do. Actually, not much more. Like upgrading the upgrade. And building new work spots. Okay. So let's do that. Let's put it higher. Building new work spots. Not 100% sure how that should be obtained. If you like have all the available buildings from the get-go and you just have to have enough resources and pick and choose what do you want to build, how much do you want to spend there, or is it gonna be like, I don't know, you finish a quest and then you've got a choice of 3 random options what to build. I don't know if that makes much sense, but could be a way to do it as well, to bring in a little randomness, the same way as like in the Slay the Spire you've got the choice of a limited selection of cards which to add, maybe pick your boss artifact out of 3 and stuff like that. Maybe we'll see, but building new work spot is something we need to do. What was the other thing? I already forgot. I don't know, we'll see. Resource management, kind of doing that. Yes, like show, that's like the show villagers age. Let's call it graphics and UI. Train, we've got this, we've got that. That's done, that's done. Spawn, done. We are missing the event, but it's on the list. Doing that, doing that, doing that, kinda doing that. Scrap that for now, but it's on the list and I don't know what it should do. Yeah, just now get the idea of maybe there should be some kind of progress meter of like someone dies, it's powering up the Dark Lord's influence, and if you do the ceremony of burying the dead, he won't get that extra power, something like that. Well, there are possibilities. Work replacement spot, got that, got that, got that. Okay, I think we've fulfilled pretty much all the design tasks. I think it's shaping up nicely. There's a bug I know of. That's like blinking resource icon in the top left corner. I probably know what it's causing, but it wasn't that big of a bug to that need handling right away. But let's put it on the list as well. And I think that's all I know for now. Yeah. And then it's gonna be about adding the content, so coming up with more types of everything. Adding more of it. Oh, there's actually one more idea. Yeah, like creating the power levels of monsters, maybe even the quests. Like there would be a pool of monsters for level 1, pool of monsters on level 2, 3, and so on. And the deck would start with the smaller, easier ones and go through. When you go through the deck, it would start popping up more difficult ones. That makes sense. So, I want to do it like that. So I don't know, monster power level. Let's put it inside the idea. Scale with no. Stacklands. I don't know Stacklands. Is it on Steam? Oh, it's on Steam. Definitely looks graphic-wise similar. Can I show that? I think I can show that. Yeah, they've got cards. Ah, there's a villager. Humble beginnings. Never played it. I think I'm seeing this for the first time. Welcome. Open the booster pack. So there are some tasks. Can you combine the cards or what? Fishing spot. Looks interesting. Attack speed villager. Yeah, you have to create things. Yeah. Interesting. Thank you. I will check it out. We've got even a DLC. And it's recent. It's like 3 days ago. Overwhelmingly positive. Okay. I'll put it on my wish list. Okay. Thanks. Yeah. So I think we've done what we came to do. Yeah. So another task completed. Let me comment that. Like monster attacks. And yeah. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment with your ideas. Be part of the game design probably. See you, Jack, on the next one, and anyone else as well. You're very welcome. Have a nice rest of the day.